Okay, here we are. We have an animal cell here.
Start off, we have the cell membrane. The cell membrane controls what goes in and out of the cell.
Right next to the cell membrane is that brown little blob. It is the Golgi body, which packages and ships proteins to other parts of the cell.
Next, we have a mitochondria. The mitochondria converts proteins to energy.
We also have a vacuole, which is those slime blocks. The vacuole stores waste and water. Over here we have a lysosome, which breaks down dead material.
Inside the nucleus, we have chromosomes. Chromosomes are spindle DNA. Next, we have the nucleus. The nucleus
Stores genetic material. And inside the nucleus, we have the nucleolus, which instructs the proteins.
Next, we have the centrioles. The centrioles organize microtubules.
And then we have those red little dots are ribosomes. They
Are proteins that are being shipped out to different parts of the cell.
And then, of course, the water, which represents the cytoplasm, which is a jelly-like material used to fill the space in the rest of the cell.
The rough ER, otherwise known as endoplasmic reticulum, makes proteins, and the smooth ER transports them out to the Golgi body so they can be moved around the cell. Start off, we also have the cell membrane. The cell membrane controls what goes in and out of the cell.
And then there is the cell wall, which gives the cell its structure and extra protection. Moving over to that gold blob, that is an amyloplast, which stores starch.
Over here, we have the chloroplast. The chloroplast helps with photosynthesis.
Once again, we have a mitochondria, which
The mitochondria turns proteins into energy.
we have the vacuole, otherwise known as the central vacuole in a plant cell, which helps the plant cell have a bigger shape and also stores water and waste.
Inside the nucleus, we have chromosomes, which are spindle DNA. We also have the nucleolus, which instructs proteins. And then we have the nucleus, which contains genetic material.
We have the Golgi body, which
Transports proteins to different parts of the cell. Then we also have the ER, otherwise known as the endoplasmic reticulum, which the rough one creates proteins, and the smooth transports them to the Golgi body so they can be transported throughout the cell.
and we have the ribosomes, which
Are proteins. And then finally, we have the cytoplasm, which is a jelly like substance that fills up most of the cell.